It's time for wizards, divergents, and princesses to get ready.
Because we're having the ultimate fandom award ceremony.
We're your hosts, and this is the Dream Mining Awards ceremony.
Today, 3 fandoms are battling against each other for the awards.
Are you ready to vote? Let's begin.
First title up for grabs is the Best Fighter.
Is it Bellatrix Lestrange, Tobias Eaton, or Merida?
Oh, I so want to see that battle happen. But I wonder who would win.
For our next title, the characters are competing for the Smartest Award.
The nominees for this award are Hermione Granger, Evelyn Johnson, and Tiana.
These characters all have different types of intelligence, but hey, it got each of them to where they needed to go.
That's right. So, we had the Best Fighter Award, the Smartest Award, but what about the Friendly Award?
Our nominees are none other than Luna Lovegood, Will, and Cinderella.
OMG, I would totally want to be their best friends.
I know, right?
And of course, it would not be an award ceremony without the biggest hero award.
Ooh, Harry Potter, Tris Pryor, and Mulan. This is gonna be a tough one. What do you guys think?
Yeah, they're also hero-ish.
Is that even a word?
Now, if we have a hero award, then we definitely have to have the Best Villain award.
Oh yeah. Lord Voldemort, Janine Matthews, and Maleficent are the nominees.
I would definitely not want to mess with them.
I'd probably just run and hide if I had to face any of them.
OMG, same.
Where would you want to live? In Hogwarts, or modernized Chicago, or Arendelle?
You know what? I've always wondered what Hogwarts house I'd be in.
Probably Gryffindor. Sure. And last but not least, we have the Best Fandom Award.
And the nominees are none other than Harry Potter, Divergent, and Disney.
Now it's your job to fight for your winner. Vote for the best in the comments below, guys.
And that concludes our award ceremony. And don't forget to subscribe for more action here on Dream Mining.
Bye, guys.
See you, heroes.